Oh my god, this is still moving. Oh. Don't do it!
Ooh, what's this?
Oh, why is it still moving?
Oh.
How do I eat this?
Run.
Alright guys, this is the train to Busan and I see zombies everywhere. I gotta go. Alright guys, I am in Busan and I'm ready to travel this beautiful city by the beach and the mountains. And we are here to try on a live octopus. Follow me.
Welcome to Busan, known for its beaches, temples, and seafood. Speaking of seafood, I've been told I have to eat a live octopus before I leave. Not sure how I feel about that yet.
This is Language Chameleon and I am finally in Busan station, guys. So first of all, let's go and check into my accommodation and let's avoid the octopus talk.
After settling in, we are off to Haeundae Beach. Sun, sand, and no seafood in sight yet.
This is my kind of spot. Peaceful, sunny, and as long as nobody brings up octopus, I think I'm good. Alright guys, those waves are insane. Haeundae Beach, Busan!
It's hard not to fall in love with this beach, but I'm already thinking about tomorrow. I heard talks of a mesmerizing village lost on a hill. It's a bright start to day 2 at Gamcheon Culture Village, full of art and history, and so far, no sign of octopus. So far.
This place is beautiful. The color work, the artwork. I mean, it was quite a walk to get here, but it was totally worth it. It's a win in my book. 실례합니다. Hey, 버스역은 어디예요?
아, 버스역은
응.
이쪽
가셔가지고
아.
오른쪽으로 돌아서
오케이.
끝까지 가셔가지고
괜찮아요.
입구에서
저기요. Hey, 이거는 한국어로 뭐라고 해요? 문어.
예.
문어를 어디에 먹을 수 있나요?
문어 자갈치.
자갈치.
네.
남포.
네,
남포.
남포.
저희 이해해요. 갔어요.
네.
네, 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Bye bye.
The residents here are so friendly, although one of them just told me where to find the freshest octopus. I'm going to pretend I didn't hear that.
Alright guys, let's talk about geography. South Korea. It is a peninsula that is completely hilly. It's a rugged and mountainous terrain, and it's bordered by the Yellow Sea to the west and the Sea of Japan to the east, and its tallest peak is Halasan in Jeju Island, standing at 1,947 meters.
Next up, Beomeosa Temple, a place of peace, reflection, and definitely a place to be grateful for all the things I've been experiencing lately.
This is such a peaceful place, exactly what I needed to mentally prepare to speak Korean.
As I take in the serene surroundings, I'm trying to focus on the beauty of the temple rather than the looming seafood challenge. Nampodong Street is all about food, food and food. And yes, I know, the time is coming for me to face my fear.
Alright guys, I'm having some dumplings in namdu, in Korean, repeat, namdu. And it's pork, it looks delicious. Wow, noodles inside. Alright, let's try some more. It's interesting, you know, this paste, this rice paste. Look at this. Very nice. Something different. So it's quite spicy. So I hope you like it spicy because otherwise you're gonna suffer here. 뭐예요? 닭꼬치. 치킨. 한개 주세요. Alright, so now let's jump into some chicken skewer. It's delicious. Mashisoyo, that's how you say it in Korean. 안녕하세요. 여기는 이름이 뭐야? 시범밥. Korea famous. Guys, so this is like every cheese lover. You have so much cheese in this pancake, and it's actually called Shibwan Pan. So Pan means bread, okay? So Shibwan is the name. So Shibwan Pan, Pan Shibwan. Let's try.
허니.
네, 괜찮아요.
네. 그렇다고.
오케이.
망고.
이거 오케이.
예스, 그러고.
Okay, this is Busan hospitality, guys.
It's day 3 and we are off to Taejongdae Park. Rugged cliffs, stunning views, a breeze that is welcome. It gets really hot out here, a temporary escape.
This is beautiful, guys. You have the ocean, the lighthouse, and the sun. And places like this, make you feel like staying here. You need to protect those areas, be it here in Asia, Europe, America. It doesn't matter. We are just guests on this planet. Come on, let's save it.
Nature is beautiful and we, as the human race, must do everything in our power to protect it. This is not granted. We are only here temporarily. Next up, we explore the Busan Cinema Center, a place where films take the spotlight. With a bit of luck, we'll bump into a K-drama set.
The design of this place is out of this world, guys. I mean, check this out. This is one of the biggest screens in the world, and the distance from the projector is 60 meters, the longest distance in Korea.
Alright guys, I'm trying to escape from this octopus fate, so I'm gonna pretend I'm in a movie or maybe just watch one.
Busan is famous for its film industry, and this center is a celebration of that, just like how my Busan journey is slowly becoming its own K-drama. On the final day, we head to Shinsegae Centum City, the largest department store in Korea. Maybe I can buy some courage here before the octopus.
This mall is absolutely gigantic, guys. You even have a dinosaur zoo on top of it. No sign of octopus. I will try to escape for a while.
Busan has given me everything: beaches, culture, food, and now it's time to face the final challenge. We swing by Jagalchi Fish Market, the seafood capital of Busan, which means, yes, I'm this close to meeting my octopus friend. The moment has arrived. After days of anticipation, the live octopus is here and there's no turning back now.
How do you call this in Korean? Sanakji, small octopus, a live octopus. I'm going to try to eat the live octopus, but they're gonna cut it like sashimi style. I can't do this. Yes, I can. No, I can't. I mean, I have to. It's still moving. Oh my god, this is still moving. Look. Oh, why is it still moving? How do I eat this? I did it. It was intense, but I did it. I conquered my octopus challenge.
Busan may be behind us, but the adventure is far from over. Stay tuned for the next episode of our 12 languages, 12-month series.